For any business, getting the most leads is one of the most important goals. Due to the stiff competition, it may be difficult for you to choose a method that can give you the best results. Given below are 5 digital marketing strategies that can help you with your lead generation. Read on to find out more. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is one of the primary ways to get access to your target audience. These techniques allow you to improve the rankings of your site for your desired keywords and phrases. Plus, it helps your target audience look for your site when they enter relevant keywords in the search engine. According to statistics, 75% of online searchers don't go to the second page of search results, such as Google. Therefore, it's important that you get your website ranked to show up on the first page of search results. Given below are 3 important areas that you need to focus on when it comes to search engine optimization. Link building. On-page and off-page optimization. Keyword selection. 2. Pay-per-click advertising. PPC is short for pay-per-click advertising. It's another effective way of generating leads. These paid advertisements show up at the top of a search engine's search results page for given phrases and keywords. Basically, PPC makes use of keywords, such as SEO, in order to help you determine the keywords that you should target to make your campaign effective. 3. Content marketing. This is another effective strategy that can help you with your lead generation. It attracts credible leads and allows you to improve your visibility on the web. As far as content marketing is concerned, you may have heard the terms online guides, infographics, videos, articles, and so on. The idea is to offer valuable information through your website. Make sure that the content you post is in-depth and helpful. 4. Email marketing. With email marketing, you can earn $44 against each dollar you spend. In other words, your ROI will be up to 4,400%. While email marketing is decades old, it is still one of the most effective ways of generating leads. It allows you to reach more people and generate lots of leads. First of all, you need to put together a subscription list. This can be done by adding simple sign-up forms to your website pages, such as pop-ups, footer, and header. Make sure you don't buy email lists, as most of the users won't show interest in the products and services you offer. 5. Social media. You should create your presence on social media platforms, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On these pages, you can post updates about your products and services. Plus, you can post articles and blog posts as well. In short, if you follow these 5 strategies, you can generate a lot of leads in a short period of time. For more ideas on how to internet marketing, affiliate tips, email marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel.